Hello students, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to give you 4 latest defense updates in the today's video's second part. So let's start. Number 1, Voyager Space to look at Gaganyaan Spacecraft to service SSS, that is Star Lab Space Station. Space exploration company Voyager Space will explore the opportunities for the utilization of India's Gaganyaan crewed spacecraft to service Starlab, a space station being built by Voyager Space. The Starlab is a first of its kind continuously crewed free-flying space station. Incidentally, the Indian Space Research Organization is in the process of building the Gaganyaan spacecraft. According to Voyager Space, a memorandum of understanding with the Department of Space and the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Space has been signed for this purpose. Next, an export order worth 340 crores won by Zen Technologies. Zen Technologies Limited, a leader provider of military training and anti-drone solutions, has announced a significant order win in the export market. The order is valued at approximately 340 crore, that comes to 41.5 million US dollar. Shares of Zen Technologies Limited was last trading in BSE at rupees 420.90 as compared to the previous close of rupees 430.10. The total number of shares traded during the day was 57,282 in over 2,374 trades. Next, Godrej Aerospace eyes share of GE 414 engine manufacturing supply chain. India's Godrej Aerospace said on Monday it was looking to be a part of the supply chain to manufacture the GE 414 engines that will power India's next generation indigenous fighter jets. Next, L&T signs MSR Agreement, that is Master Ship Repair Agreement with US Navy. L&T state-of-the-art Kattupalli shipyard near Chennai, a major node in the southern defense corridor, has been undertaking voyage repairs of the military Sea Lift Command vessels. After elaborate assessment by the US Navy and the military Sea Lift Command, the shipyard qualified for the Master Shipyard Repair Agreement, that is MSRA. This is equivalent to undertaking warships refits, for which the shipyard has already been qualified by the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard. Thank you.